Hello, welcome to the Propreneur channel.
Rytr Review 2022 explained in detail the future of creating content. There is a lot of talk about AI technology and how it may make our lives simpler. Today's video focuses on one such innovative AI-powered tool aimed for content creators. Rytr.me is an AI writing tool that automatically creates content for you. After trying it out for a few days, I am here with the Rytr review. In this video, I will guide you through the enticing user interface of Rytr AI software, its simple and direct features, pricing, customer support, roadmap, affiliate program, and a lot more. We will also grasp how to utilize Rytr, who should use it, its primary benefits, and its downsides. About Rytr, Rytr is an AI-driven writing tool introduced lately in April 2022. The creator and CEO of Rytr are Mr. Avi Godora, an entrepreneur from San Francisco. Rytr helps you develop high-quality AI content for blogs, YouTube videos, emails, social media posts and advertisements, landing sites, and a lot more. It also supports many languages and tones. It is based on the newest technology called the GPT-3 AI model that assists in creating unique and plagiarism-free content in minutes. Now, let us speak in full about the operation of the Rytr tool. How does Rytr work? AI writing tools employ language models to learn vocabulary, sentence structure, and language norms from any text-based content released on the internet. As of today, Rytr is offered as a lifetime deal on AppSumo for $39. With this subscription, you get a 50 characters per month limit. I think it is 100% worth purchasing. User interface. The online interface of Rytr is sleek and simple for newcomers. You may simply join up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account by clicking on the Start Writing button. The editor comes up as a pop-up window, but you can easily convert to the full-screen version by clicking on the option on the header. Rytr does not include a mobile app yet. However, it is suited for utilization on mobile browsers. I had no big difficulty when working with Rytr on my cell phone. Rytr mobile interface. The only issue was the text editing capabilities interfering with my mobile's copy and paste choices. Overall, I truly found the online and mobile interface of Rytr pretty nice and easy to use. How to start working with Rytr? Working with Rytr is a cakewalk. Literally, anyone can generate creative content of their choice within seconds. Follow the steps described to get started with Rytr. Step 1. Choose a language from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Set a proper tone for your content. Step 3. Choose the sort of content you intend to generate. Step 4. Specify a keyword or key phrase of up to 50 characters. Step 5. Enter the number of versions, maximum 3, you wish to produce. Step 6. Click on Write for Me. It will provide the findings within a couple of seconds. The produced content can be modified in the editor panel. With the proper tone, you may generate the desired feeling in the reader or even persuade them to buy your products. Rytr provides 21 tones for conveying a range of moods. Humorous, casual, persuading, anxious, modest, passionate, formal, etc. are some examples. They have lately included a critical tone as well. The produced content can be modified in the editor panel. With the proper tone, you may generate the desired feeling in the reader or even persuade them to buy your products. Using suitable tones, you may regulate the impression your content has on the readers. For example, sales letters can adopt a persuasive tone, but blog intros might be written in an enthusiastic tone, etc. It gives 24 usage examples covering diverse sectors. Bloggers may build whole blog articles from scratch and optimize them for SEO with these use cases: blog idea and outline, section writing, tagline and headline, SEO meta description, and SEO meta title. Copywriters can make high-quality copies for landing pages and websites, and also create content using the IDA and PS copywriting frameworks. YouTubers may make short channel descriptions and video descriptions, and acquire video ideas for generating new videos. Innovative writers may develop creative stuff like song lyrics and novel themes. Magic Command may incorporate other use cases, such as creating poetry, letters, responses, etc. Rytr could well create a range of emails. All you need to do is enter the important elements necessary in your email message. But you need to experiment with different tones to bring out the finest results. Video description. To make a video description, you simply need to input the title of your video. Tagline and headline. For producing headlines and taglines on Rytr, all you need to do is submit a little description of your product/brand. Overall, the outcomes were decent. But you need to experiment with different tones to achieve the best results. Entering exact information and the proper tone is the key. Landing page and website copy. You can generate landing pages and website clones within seconds with Rytr. Just provide basic information like your website's name, its characteristics, and its primary features. It contained all the topics and developed them in an appealing manner. Magic Command. The Magic Command tool gives greater versatility to Rytr by enabling you to develop content other than the use cases given. All you need to do is type anything you need in the input area. It will submit your requests as orders to the AI and produce the content you requested for. You may use it to produce poetry, anniversary letters, responses, etc., long-form content. To generate long-form content in Rytr, you first need to build a blog outline. Long-form content paragraph. For producing more text, choose a topic and click on Paragraph. It will automatically elaborate the idea in a paragraph like this. The paragraph tool worked great. It comprehended the context and created complete text. So you need to change it as per your requirements. Text editing tools. We have a number of text editing options accessible in Rytr. It repaired all the grammatical flaws in my phrase, which is extremely impressive. There are 4 more additional tools that might aid you with altering your created text. Expand tool. It adds up words to extend the length of the phrase without compromising the true meaning. Append tool. It adds words at the end of the text that you have selected. You can utilize it to finish your phrases. Shorten tool. It shortens the sentence length to make it clear and easy to understand. Plagiarism checking tool. It allows you rapidly scan the web to verify whether the created content is plagiarized. SEO meta description. This application lets you produce SEO-optimized meta descriptions for your websites, pages, and blogs in seconds. All you need to do is input the meta title of your website or page. Interview questions. Questions for interviewing applicants may be developed using Rytr in seconds. You only have to enter the interviewee profile and the interview environment. I truly found the produced questions humorous and thought interesting. The nicest part is that it framed the questions on the details supplied, such as Google and college student, Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn ads. Rytr makes it easy to produce adverts for social media. Just provide your product description and the ad is made on its own. Overall, you can build commercials, but just make sure you experiment with different inputs and tones before finishing them. Testimonial and review. Rytr can produce thorough evaluations and testimonials for websites. All you need to do is offer a review title, and behold the magic emerge. The results are so convincing and nearly feel like genuine devoted users of 1Password created them. Business idea pitch. With this tool, you build appealing and to-the-point startup pitches for your firm. Its live chat assistance is quite speedy. I receive replies to most of my inquiries within 2 to 3 minutes. Its onboarding procedure contains an 8-minute explainer video instruction for newbies as soon as they register an account. Rytr Knowledge Base. Its resources and guide page provides concise explanations of all elements of Rytr and relevant FAQs. Rytr also includes a growing community tab with over 165 users and 45+ articles at present, and a blog with fascinating information about copywriting, content writing, marketing, etc. Rewards in Rytr. With the AppSumo contract of Rytr, you receive 50 characters/month, which is rather limiting. Once you provide them with the images of your published reviews, the credits will be deposited into your Rytr account. The credit allocation is as follows: 1,000 credits for reviews submitted on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. 2,000 credits for reviews written on AppSumo and Trustpilot. 3,000 credits for reviews written on G2. Affiliate program of Rytr. Rytr also offers a very beneficial affiliate program for its users. When you sign up for their affiliate program, you can suggest Rytr to your friends, family, and followers. If customers purchase Rytr using your referral link, you will receive a 30% commission on all recommendations for a lifetime. This is fantastic for influencers with an existing audience. Team collaboration. The team collaboration feature enables groups of employees to collaborate on content collaboratively. It is primarily developed for corporations and agencies. Rytr allows you to add a person to your team for $19/month, which is rather pricey. New use cases such cover letter, resume builder, essay writing, dialogue/script writing, etc. Implementation of the aforementioned functionalities would make Rytr a more powerful tool. To know more about it, you may visit their roadmap page. Rytr Pros. 1. Good UI. The user interface of Rytr seems fairly contemporary and nicely structured. It looks clean and welcoming on both online and mobile devices. 2. Easy to use. Rytr tool is straightforward to use for novices and is not loaded with thousands of functionality to overwhelm the users. Supports 29 languages. The best aspect of Rytr is its capability for many languages. You may develop content in 29 languages as of today. 4. Excellent live chat support. Their live chat service is pretty fast and responsive. Powerful landing page creator. The landing page creator generates outstanding and extremely relevant content. With a few modifications, your landing page copy is ready to launch. Inbuilt plagiarism checker. Rytr also features an inbuilt plagiarism checking function. You may quickly verify if the created text is available on the web by simply clicking on the plagiarism detector. Interesting Magic Command Tool. The Magic Command Tool gives greater versatility to your AI authoring. It helps you produce additional content like poetry, letters, question answers, etc. not listed in the use cases. Rytr Cons. 1. Limited credits on AppSumo transaction. The AppSumo package includes a 50,000 character restriction each month. I've used up 42 characters, at 84% of my monthly limit, only for testing all the use cases accessible on Rytr. In my perspective, Rytr is a strong and easy-to-use tool for fast developing unique content. You can absolutely check it out. But remember, the entire AI technology has a restriction. It won't work for all niches. So, if you are a content provider, you'll have to first test it out on your website. How do you do that? Well, you may start with the free edition of Rytr, where you receive 5 characters per month. Technically, this is incredibly limiting, but it will only take you a few minutes to figure out whether it truly works for your niche. If it does, you may switch to their AppSumo Lifetime package, where you'll get 50 characters per month. In case you don't like it, they also provide a 60 days refund policy. And if you enjoy it and want to work on it extensively, you can easily convert to the monthly membership for Rytr at $29/month. This plan has no limit on the number of characters. Who is Rytr best suited for? Rytr.me would be a hugely advantageous AI writing assistant for authors who need to produce unique content consistently. This technology will save up a lot of the time and effort spent in content production. It features a range of use cases created for everyone, from content creators, social media writers and copywriters, to freelancers, sales professionals, and entrepreneurs. The USP of Rytr is its support for a library of 29 languages. This capability alone makes it a great medium for researching and extending your content in a number of languages. Even translators may profit from Rytr by translating books and articles so people throughout the globe can enjoy them. However, Rytr is not a well-sophisticated tool. You can't utilize it for all content genres. It can only produce basic content that has to be fine-tuned as per your requirements. Conclusion: Rytr is a newbie in the AI writing sector, but it has a high potential to become a big competitor. With its GPT-3 model in place, Rytr can surely be the future of AI copywriting in the content market. Overall, Rytr looks like an outstanding AI-powered writing tool. It's straightforward to use. It's simple. It's fast. Although you get limited monthly credits, the lifetime deal appears like a good value to me given the price point it's being provided. You may also test out its AppSumo offer to see whether it works for your niche.
I hope you find my Rytr review helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.